Hi everyone. I decided to make this video so that you have a little video of the syllabus hitting the high points. I know when I was in college, I was pretty bad about taking the syllabus and just kind of filing it away until I needed to look up how the course was going to be graded or when the exams were. So I'm hoping this video will help you. It's not a substitute for reading the syllabus, but I know how things go. So let's talk about this syllabus. First of all, let me give you my contact information. I can be emailed at saska.vauGhan@my.tccd.edu. It's important to note that you have to send emails from your my.tccd.edu email address. We can no longer communicate via other email platforms. Also, I have a Google number that you can text me at. You can call me there too, but I really prefer you text. And then if you need to call me, we can arrange for time. And that number is 469-629-8393. Now, the hours that I hold are pretty flexible. I get up around 7:30 in the morning and I don't go to bed till 10. But I really don't want you to be texting me and calling me at night. On the weekends, I'm available, but again, same kind of hours. And on Sunday mornings, we do go to church, so please don't interrupt that. And so afternoon on Sundays would be your best bet. Let's talk about the rules. So the rules are made by the department, so I have very little control over those, but I do want you to know what those are. First of all, let's talk about what we're going to be learning. We're going to be learning the cellular organelles. We're going to be talking about mitosis, which is cell division, microscopy, or how the microscope works and how you use it, tissue types, the integumentary system, also known as the skin, the skeletal system, bones, the muscular system, of course muscles, the nervous system, and the special senses of the eye and the ear. Okay, our class does not have a textbook. Our lab class does not. The lecture does, lab does not. And so we have lab worksheets. Now you can go on the portal and there's actually a place there where you can download those and then you can make your own lab manual if you desire. They're also available in each week's lesson. Then the next thing we use is online guided lessons. Now, online guided lessons are there to, well, it has the whole lesson in it. And it's actually a pretty cool resource because it contains everything you need to know for that week. There are written paragraphs, there are diagrams, there are videos, there's just all sorts of things that help you, okay? And you must have access to a computer with a webcam. And also make sure you check that my.tcc email and your course Blackboard page regularly. I would say 2 to 3 times a week. I will be lecturing synchronously or live. And so it would be great if you could attend those. I will record them so that they're available that way. But it's a good review, if nothing else, every week. And hopefully I can add a little bit of interest to the lessons for you. Let's talk about grading. So you will have online Blackboard homework assignments. There are a lot of those. And we will be dropping the lowest 4 grades on those. And that makes up 25% of your grade. Then there are online exercises in a dissection program called Visible Body. It will have homework assignments and there'll be a lot of those, and we will again drop the lowest 4 and that makes up 20% of your grades. We will have an online group wiki assignment and that will make up 5% of your grade. Then we have a midterm, making up 25% of the grade, and a final, making up 25% of the grade. Now, the midterm is just cumulative over the first half of the semester material, and the final is cumulative over the second half material. We will also have 3 assignments that are a midterm review and 3 assignments that are a lab review. And those again can be used to substitute for the lowest grade. So you can see there's no reason to be anxious if you have to miss a grade for an emergency, because there are plenty of opportunities to make it up. So let's talk about that Blackboard homework. You will have unlimited attempts to make a good grade on that. Also, they're due by 11:59 on Sundays, and that's at night, in the evenings. We will not have late submissions. Main reason for that is look at all the opportunities you have to sub a low grade. And there's 4 dropped grades. Then there's the visible body assignments. That's a free program. Now, the way that you will do that is first you will set up a free account, and then we'll give you a code in order for you to be able to use that beyond 2 weeks. You will have unlimited attempts on those assignments. They will be due on Fridays by 11:59 p.m. Again, no late submissions because we're dropping the lowest 4 grades. Let's talk about that online wiki assignment. So you'll be divided in groups of 4, and we will have 3 parts on that, and they'll be done over 3 weeks. Now they're due at 11:59 on Sundays. Again, no late submissions. Now, I realize that we get anxious about group assignments because we never know how the other people in our group are going to perform. I want you to know we're going to be evaluating each one of y'all on your own merit. We do want you to collaborate, and that's a lot of fun, but I don't want you to be anxious about a team member that may not be pulling their weight. Let's talk about the midterm and final. So those are administered through Blackboard, and they're remotely proctored through Proctorio. They will open at 12:01 a.m. on Monday mornings, and they will close at 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday evenings of the week of the exam. The exam must be done in one sitting. We kind of frown upon makeup exams, and those have to be approved through the department. I'd like to see them arranged in advance, and proper documentation will need to be submitted before a decision is made. Let's talk about academic misconduct. Yeah, that means cheating. So I'm an Aggie. Aggies don't lie, cheat, or steal, and they don't tolerate those who do. TCC has pretty much the same kind of policy, and I'm obligated to report any incidences of academic dishonesty, known or suspected, through the TCC care team. So let's talk about what is cheating. So one of the ways that we see cheating is people trying to copy and transmit items on an online exam. And that includes taking a picture of the screen. It includes calling up on the phone and telling people about questions on the test. And it includes writing notes and transmitting those. Also, you cannot use a textbook, notes, online resources, lab worksheets, or phone a friend. Okay? Proctorio will knock you off if you open a other window on your computer while you're taking the exam, and that causes you to lose time. Let's talk about special accommodations. I do realize there are students that need special accommodations because of disabilities. What you will have to do is contact the Student Accessibility Resources Office. They are available online, and they will give you a document that you then can give to me, and then we can take care of that for you. Everybody have a great semester, and thank you for viewing this video.